Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 91 Geo Tracker. Runs like a, just purrs like a kitten. There's your blinkers, horn, wipers. There's your fan. See your AC comes on, it does blow cold. Stereo. Of course, no power windows or locks. We'll show you the lights and let's take a listen to the engine. Lights. Cooling fan running. 1.5 horsepower. 1.6. Another 0.1 liter fuel injection. So they are better than the older ones had carburation. But just like I said, purrs like a kitten. There's your tail lights. So everything works on it. Nice little four-wheel drive rig that you can take the top off. Any questions? 605-695-7391.